Hello guys, the history of Ikrisat, a journey to prosperity of the dry lands. 1972, Ikrisat is born. 75, the foundation stone is laid. 79, the gene bank is set up. 1980s, excellence and expansion. 81, Sahelian Center set up in Niger. 1983, the Queen comes calling. 1990s, breakthroughs and awards. 1991, world's first hybrid pigeon pea. 92, 96, 98, first women farmers day, improved millet and pigeon pea. 2000s, science with a human face. 2002, genomic technologies. 2007, Nobel Prize for Climate Research. 2017, digital ag takes wing until 2019. 2020's new challenges and opportunities. 2020 watershed moments. 2021 Africa Food Prize. 2022 PM Modi celebrates Ikrisat. Ikrisat begins a new chapter. Thank you.